guys, it's your girl Stushy back with another video. To all my new subscribers, my name is Stushy. Hey, how you doing? For my returning subscribers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how I got this look. If you haven't already subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button, click the like button if you like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, and also click the notification bell button. That way YouTube can notify you every single time your girl uploads a new video. And with no further ado, okay, I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics palette, this bright pink shade, and start working it in my crease. I'm gonna pack it in before I start blending it out. Now I'm gonna work it in my outer V and in my inner corner. Continue to pack it in. Now I'm going to use a clean blending brush. This is the same brush that I used on my other eye, so that's why it kind of looks a little bit muddy, but I'm just going to blend the outer edges. I'm just going to pack a little bit more of that pink color. Now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Killawatt in the shade Mule and Ginger Binge. I'm going to mix these two right on my finger. Put it right in the middle. Now I'm going to take a smaller blending brush and I'm going to go in with this black shade. I'm going to work that in my outer V just slightly. And also in my inner corner. Also working it in my crease, slightly above. Now I'm going to go back in with a little bit of the pink shade and blend so that everything is working together. And if you feel like you lost any pigment, go back in with your Fenty Beauty Mule and Ginger Binge and just put it right back on top. Underneath the lash line, I'm just going to use the pink. Just bring it down underneath. And the eyes are done. I'm going to finish the rest of the face off camera and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already subscribed, be sure to click the subscribe button, click the like button, give it a big thumbs up if you like today's video, and click the notification bell button. That way YouTube can notify you every single time your girl uploads a new video. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.